Drivin Ivan here. Man, did I used to watch this show all the time. Speed Racer. He's often flying as he guns a car around the track. He's jamming down the pedal like he's never coming back. Adventures waiting just ahead. Go Speed Racer. Go Speed Racer. Go Speed Racer. Go. Hey, it's everything. It's the blast of the past. It's Sydney Lumper and Speed Racer. The Mach 5. That's cool as hell. Looks like it's a C4 Corvette, maybe? What's it, a C4? C4 Corvette?
Yes, it is.
So there you go. C4 Corvette. And turned into the Mach 5. I wonder if there's a kit for that. Ooh, it's got Speed Racer keys too. Is there a kit to build this, or?
No.
No,
somebody's got some molds.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, you know, this is the greatest Japanese anime cartoon, because they had, like, in the credits at the end, they had like cars like the Jaguar E-Type, the Model T or Model A Ford. I mean, it was just, if you like cars, it was such a cool show. And yeah, I think I was like 5 years old when I first saw it. It was just amazing. And it was one of those things that you remember. And I'm sure it got a lot of people like me into cars back in the day. The Mach 5 had like the knockoff wheels. These aren't quite the same look, but that animation was incredible, and some of the cars were just great. And I remember being scared of some of the storylines back in the day too. Kind of funny. But yes, the Mach 5, one of the greatest cars of all time. Not a perfect rendition maybe, but still, just to have one is very, very cool. And there you have it. Speed Racer, the Mach 5. So cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my car review videos, music videos, disc golf videos, literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game, and documentaries. I'm Drivin Ivan.